the set of all real numbers as the solution set. This states that any number in the number line satisfies the equation and can make it correct. Consider the equation x squared minus 2x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. We factor this out, which will therefore become x plus 1 times x plus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. We use the zero property method so that x can be isolated. Our x now will be negative 1, since 1 will be transposed to the other side. Create a table wherein the sets will be placed on the left side, and x, or what x is equal to, will be in the row. Now you fill up the table. In order to do this, you get any number which is less than negative 1 or greater than negative 1 and substitute it. In this case, for the first column and row to be filled up, a number less than negative 1 is like negative 2. Negative 2 plus 1 will result to a negative number, therefore that is what you place. Repeat this to fill up the table. Now we find for the final answer. To do this, you look back at our original equation and look at if it's a less than, equal to, or greater than equal to, or less than, or an equal to sign. In this case, it's a greater than or equal to. Therefore, our answer shall be x such that x is less than negative 1, greater than negative 1, and equal to negative 1. We go to a more simpler equation wherein it's already been factored out. Therefore, the first thing we need to do is just equate it to 0 so that x can be isolated. In order to do this, you transpose 2 to the other side and divide both sides by 3. Our x shall be 2 over 3. We create a table just like what we did in the first problem. The only difference is that x is 2 over 3. A number we may use for less than 2 over 3 is 0. So 3 times 0 minus 2 will become negative. Greater than 2 over 3, we may use 5. 5 times 3 minus 2 will be a positive number, which is 12. Therefore, that's how we make the table. We now go back to our original equation and see if it's a less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to sign. In this case, it's a greater than or equal to, therefore, our answer shall be all of the sets available